October 21st, 2020 on your own. Number 1, rewrite the sum of these numbers as the product of their greatest common factor and another sum. Alrighty, so what we're going to do first, we are going to find the greatest common factor of these two numbers. So we have 15 and we have 20. We are going to find the greatest common factor of 15 and 20, which means we need to use our factor trees. So we have 15 and then we have 20. We are going to factor these down. All right, now 15, we can break it down. What times what equals 15? Well, I know that, 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 5. Now, is 3 a prime number? It sure is, so I'm going to circle that. Is 5 a prime number? Sure is, I'm going to circle that. So our prime factorization of 15 in order from least to greatest is 3 times 5 because there's no other numbers that we can factor down. So I'm actually going to move my little person over here to be able to have more room for our 20. Now 20 we can break it down. So that 20 we can do either 10 times 2 or maybe 4 times 5. I'll do 4 times 5. 5 is a prime number because we can't break it down any more than what it is, other than 1 in itself. And then 4 we can break down though. So when we break down that 4, what times what equals 4? Well, we have 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. All right, so 2 is a prime number because we can't break it down other than 1 in itself. So I'm going to circle that 2, and I'm also going to circle this 2. So our excuse me, our prime factorization of 20 is going to be 2 times 2 times 5. That's in order from least to greatest, all the numbers that are circled. Now, let's match the socks. Do they share 3? No. Do they share 2? No. It looks like the only number they share is a 5, and that's absolutely fine. So that's actually easier for us because we're only going to take one of those 5s. And we don't need to multiply by anything, so our greatest common factor is going to be 5. So where are we going to put this greatest common factor? We are going to put it in front of the parentheses in our final answer, and we are also going to put it in the first part of each set of parentheses. All right, now, 15. 5 times what is 15? Well, I know that 5 times 3 is 15, so I'm going to put a 3 here. Now for 20, 5 times what equals 20? We did that over here. 5 times 4 equals 20. So I'm going to put my 4 there. Now we're going to take these numbers. So I'm going to take this 3, and I am going to put it in our first set of parentheses here. I'm going to take this 4, and I'm going to put it in our second term in the parentheses. I apologize. So our answer is going to be 5 times that quantity of 3 plus 4. That's all it is. Don't stress about it. That's it. We're just going backwards. So it's just finding the greatest common factor, and then we'll use our distributive property. The only tricky part is knowing where to put things. So as long as you have the concept down, you are good to go. All right, great job.